Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another vlog. It's the ass crack of dawn, and I'm buying a car today. Alright guys, just left Mark's place, got the new project car loaded up onto the trailer. We are heading back to the shop now. I think we got maybe one install before we get this thing on the lift. I'll take you guys through kind of the reasons behind getting it and my plans for it. You guys will see an intense build series in the future. You know, we're gonna do a pretty fun shop build on it. So I hope you guys are excited as I am. I know this was kind of a spur of the moment purchase, but we made it happen. I'll get back with you guys once we figure out what we're gonna do.
That's always fun. Just BMW things.
Came with the car. It came with the car.
I'm so sick of this company. They're trash! And I'm addicted! So I can't quit!
Dude, it sounds healthy. Alright, let's unhook it. I gotta take it for a little risky.
First drive impressions.
Fuck yeah!
Wow! Beautiful!
Let's go around the block.
Yeah. Spin the block. Already doesn't have much power steering, so
Yeah.
I mean, that's much of a pain.
Haul to be able to delete it.
Oh yeah, it's just a plug that sits on the fucking.
Dude, I can't believe you have a working sunroof.
Everything works. What the fuck?
Dude, this thing is sick. Can I drive it?
Yeah. Fuck
Okay. Fuck yeah. Okay.
Oh yeah.
So your check engine light's gone.
Yeah, it was just checking because I have low washer fluid.
Are you serious?
Yeah, look at my little switch panel.
Oh my god! Where's first?
Right there.
Is that it?
Yeah. Too much gas. Way too much gas.
Okay.
So then get off the gas. Or get off the clutch.
I didn't know where it's gonna bite, bro.
No
Oh
power
my
steering.
god,
Yeah.
you weren't fucking lying.
No.
It feels like the Miata all over again.
Just straight up for third.
Dude,
Kind of smooth, huh?
fuck yeah! Yeah, it is!
I like it.
Hell yeah, brother. We have a fucking E30!
Final words after the first drive.
Fucking sick. I cannot wait to turn this thing into what we were planning on turning it into.
Yeah, you guys are gonna be in for a
This
treat.
thing has got some good bones.
That's what I'm
I was
saying,
really
dude.
surprised.
Oh, we got Noah. No power steering, by the way. No, I can tell. Give her some beans, my boy. Let's go all the way down. This is like plenty of power. That's what I'm saying, dude. It's like plenty of power for how light the car is.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
And like it's, even with just the grossest suspension, the grossest everything. Yeah, dude, this like, it's a pile of shit, but like it runs and it works. I was expecting a lot worse. Something in the rear end's definitely either binding or I think the diff needs some fluid.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
I like it.
Yeah, I'm hyped. I'm hyped. All right, Kyle.
Okay, hear me out. Hear me out. What if the entire gang got E30s?
That's what I'm saying, bro. We all gotta get shitter, like absolute shitters.
Just saying.
All right, Kyle's up next. Guys, to be totally honest with you, this is a sick pickup. E-brake, e-brake, e-brake. The button's in it. You gotta like put your finger in it. There you go. There you go. God damn. More gas, more gas, more gas. Keep going, more.
Aw, man.
I killed it!
Pull it back, pull it back. Oh yeah, it's cooked.
Is it
Battery's done, yep. Yep.
All right, I'll grab the camera.
Good drive, Kyle.
God damn it, Kyle. Made it 5 feet! Yeah, this is the same guy who has a $3,000 T56. Pray for him.
I'm gonna blow that shit the fuck up.
What do you mean by that?
What the fuck?
What's going on?
But
How did you guys buy?
It just has to go potty. It's okay.
Just pulling that.
good.
See it right there?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's not that bad. But a lot of that's oil anyway, so you won't be able to really see it much. Well, guys, pretty happy with that. Definitely could have went worse. I think everybody's pretty happy with it, that it runs and drives. And I got it for a pretty decent deal, so definitely excited. Next weekend we'll take you guys along. Probably rip most of the interior out, start a parts list, but so far just needs a battery, needs some coolant hoses, fix the clutch system, and then be good to go. Then we put it into a barrier. The exhaust hangers are custom made by Bike Locks and Universal Band Clamp. What is bracket? So that'll definitely have to get changed.
What the fuck is this?
I think it's supposed to be on this. It's the oil paint isn't leaking? On this side, isn't it? Oh, hell yeah, dude.
What's all that fluid under here?
It's all oil.
Okay.
Oil, power steering fluid. Damn, oil filter's right there.
Reminds me of my X3.
Yeah.
Also reminds
Dark
me of
times.
your
If you know, you know.
Dark time, brother. Dark time, brother. Damn, I get a tetanus under here, bro.
Peter, why you... what he's doing? Why you bully me? You fucking bitch. You bully me, everyone asks. Liquid asking you why you bullying me. You
These tires are good. I know, and they're from 21.
Really?
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
It's like, can't really find a lot that are like bad. Just sick. Next weekend, take the AC out, take the power steering out.
Look at the camera.
Got kind of late. We ended up having to throw the trailer back at U-Haul. A lot of big plans for this thing. I've been thinking about picking up kind of just like a super low budget grassroots car to, I want to learn how to weld and stuff like that. So definitely a good project to have here in the shop. Huge shout out to Mark. I'm really excited to now have an E36, E30, and the F82. So this build process definitely going to be a lot of fun. So I hope you guys are excited as I am about it. It doesn't feel real yet. We're gonna get the shop cleaned up and we're gonna head out of here. I got work in the morning, so.
What'd you say?
Dude, I think the seat's fine.
What do you mean?
It's just a seat cushion.
What? Bro, what?
perfect.
Good. We're good. On the ups.
Alright guys, I'm gonna help Addison with closing the vlog out because I've been behind the camera pretty much all day. But thank you so much for watching. We're so excited about the E30 build. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The E30 is pretty much going to be the showcase build for any motorsports, and so we're super excited to kind of show you what we're capable of doing and how we're able to transform vehicles from nothing into something. So yeah.
Catch you guys in the next one.